Hi everyone, I'm here again to answer a question from a parent. He gave us here a word problem. He said he knows how to answer the question, however, he doesn't know how to explain it to his child. He is also asking if there's a way to solve this using the bar model method. Are you ready? Let's begin. The sum of two numbers is 9,067. The difference between the two numbers is 6,523. A, what is the smaller number? B, what is the greater number? Since we are comparing the two numbers here, we are going to use the comparison model. We are going to start by drawing a straight line and then the labels S and G on the left side. Then we will draw a short bar for the smaller number and a longer bar for the greater number. To show the total, we are going to draw a bracket on the right side that will cover the two bars, and we will label that 9,067. That represents the sum of the two numbers, which is 9,067. The difference between the two numbers is 6,523. So what I will do is to draw a broken line that will highlight the difference between the two bars. Then I will label the difference between the two bars 6,523. Notice that because I drew a broken line there, I now have two equal units and 6,523 that make up 9,067. So we can now compute. We can take away 6,523 from 9,067, and that will give us 2,544. That means those two units that are color red are equal to 2,544. To get what one unit is equal to, we have to divide 2,544 by 2, and the answer is 1,272. Let us now mark each of the red units 1,272. So now we can already tell that the smaller number is 1,272. The next question is, what is the greater number? Looking at the model, we can tell that we can get the greater number by just getting the sum of 1,272 and 6,523. And the answer is 7,795. So the greater number is 7,795. I hope this video was able to show you how important it is to use visualization in helping the students understand what the problem is all about. Earlier, the parent mentioned that it's so hard for him to explain it to his child. He already knows how to do the computation, but it's quite difficult for him to let his child understand it. In these situations, the best way to do it is through the bar model method. Now, if you are a parent or a teacher who wishes to learn how to teach your children or your students the bar model method, this on-demand webinar is for you. Here, I will be discussing the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division bar models. I will also cover one-step, two-step, and multi-step word problems. If you are interested, you can scan the QR code that we have here. Now, if you want your children or your students to master the bar model method, this book is perfect for them. The Singapore Math Bar Model Method from Beginner to Advanced Level. What is so good about this book is that it contains QR codes that will lead you to the videos of the discussion of the word problems that are in this book. Interested? Scan the QR code right here to get a copy of your printed book or your ebook. Have a good day. Bye.